Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I really want to apologize to all of you for not being regular on the channel, for not uploading a video every week or every month, but that's because I had my projects, exams, submissions and whatnot, and engineering ने मेरे दिमाग की दही बना रखी है. But yes, from now onwards I'm going to be very regular and I will be uploading a video every month for you guys. Also, I really wanted to thank all of you for all the love and all the support you gave me for my previous two vlogs. It really kept me going and it really motivated me to make more videos. So yeah, here it goes. As you guys would have seen me struggling to get out of bed and struggling to look for the right outfit to wear to college. So I have curated 5 simple, easy to achieve, really comfortable summer looks for all of you out there. These are all the items which you will easily find in your closet, and all you have to do is just mix and match and wear it with a smile, wear it confidently. And yeah, so that's all I've done. I've just worn simple items from my closet which are very comfortable in the summer weather, and also they follow the dress code for college and the office ethics. So I really hope you guys love the trends and you really love the looks which I have made for you. If you do, comment below, like, share, subscribe and ghanti bajao yaar. So let's get started. So the first look I wanted to show you guys was a really colourful and chic floral outfit. Here I've just paired my floral shirt with a really funky pair of pink pants, which is amazing because it's so soothing in this scorching summer. Now who doesn't love a little extra height? And wedges are the most convenient way to achieve that. So pair it up with a simple bag and you're good to go. This is my favorite look because it's just so fresh, young, quirky and so comfortable at the same time. The palazzo pants have a really formal look to it, and I've paired it up with a graphic gunji to make it more easygoing. These superstars can make any outfit go from not so good to so good. Wear your outfit with a colourful pair of jhumkis and your outfit for the day is done. There are times when you need to look sober yet edgy. And wearing your comfortable kurti with jeans is the safest option that comes to our minds. So I've paired up my outfit with these chamak dhamak kolhapuris, which literally go with anything and everything. To cinch your waist and show off that summer body of yours, wear a belt with your kurti. We all have denims and Rajasthani long skirts, and they look incredibly classy individually, and when you wear them together, they do wonders. Just grab your favorite clutch and this outfit will speak for itself. I wanted to show you guys an alternative Indo denim look too. Here I am wearing my denim joggers with a beautiful waist jacket which is very bindas. Juttis are evergreen but usually give us a shoe bite. So I have found a really nice hack for it. Just apply some coconut oil and let it dry for a day in the sun. And you are good to go.